Vacation. Well, after that, that's when I said go broke. We need to use my mom's phone. So now, oh, sorry. If you want so I have a lot of vehicles. After we done our break, after we go home, I better go to I don't know, the break. Let's see what the streets is. Let's get this. Yeah, why? Even though it's useless, it's for the quest to get this their feedback for that. I need that feedback. I need that. That can make me rich. So let me feed my dog for a while. Let me just feed my dog after this. Don't ask why I have many cottage sheep. Don't ask why. Where is it? There's water. Feed my dog. Oh! Feed. Yes. Feed. Feed. Dog. Oh, this is I will just wash my hands. I'll just wash my hands. I don't. I don't want to. I don't have Robux. I want to get just the rewards. I need one more reward. I need one more quest. I don't so let's explore here. We might liberty room. I will try to complete that only. Hey, yeah. Oh no. No. Sammy. Yeah. As you can all see. It's actually on mobile. If I have a chance to switch into the PC, oh, switch that. Let me say that. Let me negation. Yes. I don't need that. My pet is almost level 10 for now. As you see, oh, it's almost level 10 and it's not that just kidding. I don't know what to say for now. Let's see what. Tell me, what if we are stuck? Also, a car seat right now. I don't need to see it. I will just move back land. Like, yeah. If you like today's video, please like, sub, like and sub.